Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create and manage coupon campaigns here in Shopify. So let's begin. So here we are in Shopify, and to create campaigns for your coupons is you want to go here in the discount section at the left side, and from here you can create your coupons. So once you are here, then you want to click here on create discount, click on it. And from here we have the discount types right here. So you can go for amount of products, amount of order, or buy one get one, or buy X get Y right here, or the free shipping discount right here. And as you can see, I also have these additional options right here. This is actually an app that I installed in Shopify. So if you haven't installed an app, you might not be seeing this. And yeah, this is a paid version, I think. This is a paid version, so you would need to pay more so that you can have this right here. But this for free options right here are for free that is installed in Shopify, so you don't need to pay for this one right here. So let's say we want an amount of products right here or amount of order. Let's go for this one. So click on this one. So let's say this is the type of discount that you want or your coupon. And from here you can go for the method. So you want to go for discount code, or you can go for automatic discount right here if you'd want to. So but in our case, I'll just go for discount code right here so that we will have a coupon. So from here you have choices in creating your discount code. Either you type it yourself, or you can click here on generate and it would automatically generate a random code or coupon for you. So in my case, I'll just go for my own. So this is a coupon 04, just like that. This is my discount code right here. So they would need to enter this code upon checkout so that they would be able to avail this discount. And for the value right here, percentage and fixed amount, you have the option to do that if you want to go for percentage, or you go for fixed amount that will be deducted from their checkout, so that they would have a lower price. For this one, I'll go with fixed amount. I'll go for 500 right there. And for the minimum purchase requirements right here, you can also set this up right here. So you can either go for minimum purchase amount, or you can go for no minimum requirements, so they would be able to avail it right away, or you can go for quantity of items depending on how many the items they ordered. And yeah, I'll go for this one right here, and I'll set this to 3. And for the customer eligibility, so if you want only specific customers to avail this coupon or discount, then you can also use this option right here. So you can use right here specific customer segments, so you can browse right here and you would have all your customers right here. So if you don't know how to add customer segments, then you should watch my other videos. I made another videos about this one right here, so that you can add customer segments right here, or groups of customers that you want to avail right here, and click on one of them and click on add right here. And after that, only those customers will be able to use this coupon code or discount code right here, even if they know the code. But if they're not from that group, then they won't be able to avail this. And for the maximum discount uses, you can go for this. Depends on what you want. I'll go for this one right here, and I'll set this to 5. And for the combinations, this is a coupon for can be combined with shipping discounts if you want to, but I don't want to add additional shipping discounts because that would be too much. So once they activate this code, then they won't be able to avail the shipping discounts right here, because I haven't checked this box. And for, of course, the active dates, if you'd want to set this to be active only in a certain time frame, then you can also do it right here. But after that, after you're happy with all of this, then you can just go for sales channel and select one of them to be active right here. And once you're all done with all these options right here, then click on save discount. And just like that, you have successfully created your coupon and your discount code. And all you have to do is now create a campaign for your Shopify and like ads and so on, so that you can promote your discount code and attract more customers into your shop. That is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.